It was a bright morning, and near a sheep farm, a wolf roamed. The wolf wanted to eat the sheep, but couldn't, as the sheep ate, and their dogs were watching the flocks too closely. That very night, the wolf found some sheep skin that had been sheared from a sheep, cast away, and forgotten. The wolf came up with a cunning plan. The next day, the wolf then wore the sheep's skin and blended itself into the herd of sheep with the other sheep, unaware that a wolf was amongst them. When the shepherd's mind was somewhere else, the wolf quickly took the chance and ate the poor sheep. He rejoiced at his win and continued to stay with the flock with the idea of picking other one to eat. That evening the wolf entered the fold with the flocks, still blending in perfectly with them. But it just so happens that the shepherds fancied a mutton broth that day. The shepherd went out and picked the first sheep that he could find, which happens to be the wolf disguised in sheep's skin. Thus the wolf that the shepherd mistook for a sheep had been killed and eaten by them. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.